rule, KCL and KVL, current law and voltage law. Is that clear? We will solve some numerical questions based on this. Okay, suppose there is before you. So what the questionnaire is, you may see I1, I2, I3. Further can this be solved here as, okay. Now the value of the current can be found out. The equations, these equations are here, you may see these equations are here before you. Okay, so this equation can be solved for finding the value of I1, I2, I3. I will suggest you, first was the loop rule, the second was the junction rule and the loop rule. Okay, algebraic sum of all changes in potential drop and closed loop involving resistor cells in is 0 here. This is the statement. Okay, so there is a circuit diagram before you. We just have to solve here this circuit diagram. Clear, guys? And what is the manner of solving that? I am telling the method of solving that. Okay, have a look this, the method of solving this question. We will first take the circuit diagram. Let me see this is. So if you will see here, this is the source. Okay, it's a 10 volt sources. Current is drawn from the sources. Current, this is the junction A. At the junction A, if you will see, three sides are here, side 1, side 2 and side 3 are there. Okay, you will see here all resistors are identical. Right now it's given in the question, this is identical. So what we can understand here, if the all resistors are identical, it means at this if they are all so equally distributed in all that, you may say it is divided into 3 branches, it's divided again into 3 branches. Clear? Further to it divided in. So you would see here this, the potential drop here, you may see the potential drop between B and A will be same, what will be A and this. Okay, so the current drawn from this junction will same in all direction. The current drawn from the battery, okay, in this direction the current is flowing, what will the same will be the current in this direction, the same will be current in this direction. Clear? So we are supposing let the current drawn by this is I, this is also I and this is also I. So we have taken the current in all possible direction is I, as before you this shown in the figure here. Okay, it's I. So what will be the total current here? So we can speak here 3I current is to be drawn from the battery. Clear? If the 3I current is drawn from the battery, so obviously 3I current will, because current is the flow of charge, can never be created nor be destroyed. So here is that. So I current will go here and I current will go here. So here it will. So since the resistance are equal, again the current will divide in I by 2 and I by 2 again. Okay, because their resistance are equal. Clear, guys? Then what next will happen here? Again here the current will go here. It's I by 2. It's I by 2. So current is coming here and from I by 2, I by 2. Here I is passing here again, and again here the current goes in I, here going I. It will divide I by 2 and I by 2. Right now, so here from I by 2 coming here, from here I by I by 2 coming. So finally we'll just understand here the concept what I by 2 and I will work as. Okay, there is before you I by 2, I by 2. Further, now to be solved here, this what we have to find out, we have to find a value of I. So which loop you will select here? So I am telling the selecting the loop, how the loop can be selected. So the loop start from the battery is to be included, this loop is to be taken here as first. You may see there is a first loop, this is a closed loop. Is that clear now? So what the closed loop can be said here this. So you will see this across the loop, but the loop is A, then go B, then go C, then go C dash, then you will go the E, is it, and again go A. This is the loop. Clear? So if you will travel from A to B, it's I only, A to B. What is the resistance? I don't know. Identical resistance, suppose R is given in the resistance 10 volt potential connect across diagonally opposite center algebraic 12 resistors each of 1 ohm. The resistance is each of 1 ohm. Okay, so R into I, what will here, please tell me? Since you will write down here this, since the resistance of each resistor is what here, 1 ohm. Therefore across this loop 1 ohm multiplied by I, so it shall be what here, 1I. Clear? So it's 1I. Now again is we are traveling to the B to C, I by 2 current, and the distance is there. So what shall be? It is I by 2. And one important thing is there, we are not keeping about the direction. If you are traveling, the law that you are to, this is the resistance, suppose, okay, current is flowing in this direction and you are traveling in the same direction. So IR drop is taken as negative, and if the current is flowing in this in this direction and you are traveling in this direction, then IR you will take as a positive. Clear? Right now this is the formula for that. So you are traveling in the direction of current, so here will negative and here will negative also again the second. It's negative again. You will travel to C to C dash in the same direction of current, yeah. So it shall be what current amount? I is there. So you will just, it's again I in the direction of current. Now next we are just coming C dash to E, no resistance is there, and E is, we are traveling from this. So we are moving from negative to positive plate. So potential drop is taken as positive 10 volt. Okay, and is equal to 0. This is all IR drops and EMF. So what will be this, please tell me? So it's a minus, all the three are negative here. So minus 2I and minus half I, minus 5 by 2I is there, okay, plus 10 is equal to 0. So you will take here this 5 of I by 2 is equal to minus 10. Here will negative, so I is equal to 2, okay, 2 by 5 here. Is to be solved this. 5 1 is 5, clear. So what is coming here? 4I is coming, 4 ampere, I is coming 4 ampere. So 4 ampere current is drawn. So if the 4 ampere current is drawn, so what the current drawn from the cell? 12 ampere current is drawn here. So yes, your answer is, okay, 4 ampere, the I is 4 ampere coming, okay. So current drawn from the battery is this before you. This is a simple method to solve down the questions, but before applying this law, you just have to understand here why this. So you will write here, since, okay, the resistance are identical, so equal, and all the three sides are connecting along the equal resistance. So if the equal resistance are connected, the same amount of current is to be drawn. So well understood you. Now the next question is also there. There is another question. How can we solve this question? So we again can solve in the same manner. The question can be taken here. So we are to find out each branch, current in each branch of network, current in each branch of network, current in each branch of network. Okay, there is this. Each branch, okay, there is this. So first loop is to be selected here, the method of solving question, okay. What is the method here, please? Select a loop here. So any one loop is to be selected here. So which loop you will select here? The battery is to be included. So loop you can select here, one loop you can make here this, another loop you can make here this, another loop you can make this here. Different loops can be made here, 3 loops are there, okay. So first you will see here where the battery is there. You may see where the battery is. This is one battery. Suppose current drawn from the battery is I1 we have taken. Okay, I1 is coming. The current through this branch is going here as I2. So what will be current through this? Obviously I1 is coming out. At junction I1 is coming. Okay, so you will write down here it. Okay, the current through the line, what line is? AC. AC is I1, okay, and through BC and through AB is I2. Therefore current through AD line. What will the AD line? I1 minus I2, because I1 is reaching to the junction, I1 current is reaching to the junction, I2 is going from here, so what's left here? Only I1 minus I2 left. This we employed here the junction rule. Is that clear? So there is junction rule I1 minus 2. Okay, so we'll remember here this current we have taken here I1 minus I2. Okay, now next, and here I2 current is reaching at this B. Okay, here I. So these different branches are again divided. So we can take the current from this also. The other method can also be employed here if you want to know this question. So current I2 is reaching at the here. So current I3 coming from here, this we can suppose. So through this line, what current is passing here? I2 plus I3. And here I1 is going. So what this current can be here? Obviously I1 going from here. So it's I2 plus I3 minus 1. Means the supposition can be by any way. Right? So what is that? Further to be solved as current through resistance AB. Okay. Also the current drawn from 5-volt battery is what here? It's called I3. Right? This is through B. What we can say? BD line. Current through BD line. This is okay. This is that here. Now start solving. Which loop you will take here? Loop. The first loop you will take here. This loop can be taken as loop is A to C. A to C you will travel. Okay, A to C and A D C D A. A D C D A is loop here. A to D just you have to go. A to D you are going A to D. You are traveling in direction of current, so negative. Okay, the current resistance is 4. IR, R is what? I is I1 minus I2. Again A to D. Now travel D to C. D to C. D to C coming, current is coming before you, is positive. What the current is? The current is I2 plus I3 but I1 minus. And what is the resistance? This is 2 ohm. C to A, this we have to move. C to A. So you are traveling the direction of currents. So you will take minus of I1 and the resistance is 1. And the what next is plus 10 volt is to be taken is equal to 0. This is loop. So it can be written as minus 4 of I1 plus 4 of I2 plus I2 I3 minus this is to be multiplied and 2 of I2, 2 of I3, 2 of I1 minus I1 plus 10 is equal to 0. It's I1, it's I1, it's I1. How many I1s are here? 7 times I1 is there. It's I2, it's I2 only. 4 to 6 times I2 is there. And I3 is 2 times here. Is equal to minus 10. Or also this can be written as 7 of I1, 6 of I2 minus 2 times of I3 is equal to 10. This is relation 1. Okay. Now second equation. What the second equation can be brought here? The second loop is this to be taken as. Okay. The loop is what? You will travel from B, A, D, C, B, A. Okay. So loop A, B, A, C, B, A. Loop B, A, C, D, B, A, C, B, A. B, A. So what is B to A? B to A, I2. So 4 times I2 is there. Okay, positive. And A to C, minus 10, because you are traveling from high potential to low. Minus 10 and plus 1 minus 10 and plus I1 current is there, okay, and C to B you have to travel, minus current is coming before you, 2 time minus plus 2 time I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. So, this will here 4 time I2 plus I1, 2 time I2 and 2 time I3 is equal to 10. This can be written as I1 plus 6 time I2 plus 2 time I3 is equal to 10. This is equation second. The third equation can also be included here. Third equation you can make from this. Is that what the third equation? You can solve here this. Okay, what is the third equation? Can you solve these equations here? Here 6 time I2 is coming here. Obviously, if you will add these equation, okay, by adding these, what you will obtain? 6 cancel. Here will be 8 time I1 plus 2 time I3 and to the cancel here. So, it shall be 20 here. Easily the I1 can be obtained here. So, what the I1 is coming? I1 is 20 by 8 or also 5 by 2 can be written, 4 cancel by 4. So, 5 by 2 ampere current is coming here. Solving 1 and 2 you have done directly. Also you can solve here the next, what the next is? This B here too, B, C, D, B again through the loop, and also you put BC by putting the value of I1. Can you obtain the other also? Through the loop BC D B. Where is that? BCD, B, C, D and again B. Clear? This is the loop here. So, B to C, direction of current minus 2 plus I, 2 plus I plus I3, minus 2 of I2 plus I3. Next, in the direction of this, minus 2 of I2, I3, I1, minus 2 of I2 plus I3 minus I1. Again, D to B, no, and this is in positive to negative to positive, 5 volt plus 5 volt, plus 5 volt, 0. So, this can be written as 2 time I2 and here 2 times. So, minus 4 time I1 is where? This is I1, minus plus 2 time I1 and 4 time I2 and I3 minus 2 I3 and minus 2 I3, 4 time I3 will come here and is equal to minus 5. This can be written as 2 common in them, no, not common, this 2 of I1, negative this will be positive 4 of I2 and negative 4 of I3 is equal to plus 5. Clear? This is equation number third also there. So, what the solving two equation is I say 2 I1. So, I1 we found here this. So, the I2 and I3 to be cancelled here, 4 I2 and 4 I3. Where is 4 I3? Where the equation 4 I3? Nothing. So, here is 4 I2, here is 6 I2. 4th is a 12, 6 is a 12 and the opposite sign. Okay. So, by equation any method can be equation 1 multiply by 6 2s are 2 and plus equation third multiply by 3. So, what the equation third multiply by 3? So, 3 2s are 6 I1, okay, and 3 4s are 12 I2. This you have studied in the 12 I3 10th class and 15. And what is the equation 1? We are multiplying by 2. 2 7s are 14 and 12. 2 7s are 14 I1 and 12 I2. And what last is 2 2s are 4 I3. okay, and 10 is there, 2 tens are 20 also. So adding them, this cancels here, and here will be 8 times I1, and here minus 16 times I3, and there is sum is 35. Clear? So it can be written, this is the equation 4 can be here, substituting value of I1. What is value of I1? We obtain value of I1 5 by 2. So in place of this 5 by 2 is to be put here. So 8 into 5 by 2. It's here what? 20. So 1620 minus 35, and 16 I3 also there. So what is coming here? Minus 15 by 16 is coming. However, the current is appearing is negative. Negative can be there. What does the negative here? Means your supposition is negative. It means that there, where is the I3 coming here? So I3 is here in this direction. It means the current is not flowing. The current is flowing in this direction. Answer is not wrong here, but you have to check the answer from yours. I3 is coming. What I3 is there? 1 whole 7 by, means it can be here what? 1 8s are 8, 7 15 by 8. Is this here? So I3 could be something as mistaken here. I1 is what coming? 2.5 is coming, right answer I1. If I1 coming 2.5, 5 by 2, it is correct answer. So is there something mistaken in that I3? Please check the solution again, whether somewhere else could be mistaken here. 16 I3 is coming here, and is 13. So 2 is 2 multiplied by 2 tens. Here you have multiplied by 2. Okay, so 14, 4 will come here. This 4 and 20. The first equation 4 and 20 is 4 and 20. Okay, and third equation is what? Here you have multiplied by 3. So 6 and 12. 3 4s are 12 also. 3 5s are 15. We are adding them. So what is that? 8 left here, and positive 4 I3. Positive I3. Here's that. You may see negative I3. So 2 to the 4 negative I3. This is coming negative. And 12, 4, 3 4s are 12 negative is there, and we are adding them. So here is this. Correct it is. That's on 35 minus 16 and 18. 16 also there. So 5 by 2 we put here in place of I1. It's 4 coming. 4 5s are 20 is coming here, and 16 is to be transferred here. I3. And what the difference is coming? 15 by 16 is coming here. I3 could be there something wrong. We need to check this again, whether an equation is there something wrong. Okay, I1 is coming correct answer, but here I2 is not coming answer correct. Another equation we can use here. Okay, so what was that? Is the second equation. Okay, it is the second here, and in the second, and where the third, this is third. So in the third, it's a so second and third can be used here aside here. Okay, this is second and this is third. So second is to be multiplied by, it's a 4I3 and 2I3. So second is multiplied by I think 2. We can multiply this by 2. Okay, so and 2 2s are 4, and 4 is already here. So I3 will cancel. Here 4 and here 4 will also. So only 20 is there. So 2 times I1 and 2 times I1 is also. So 2 times I1, 2 times I1 cancels. Here 2 6 are 12, or here I2 is also there. So here will be 12 and what next is, and 4. 16 I2 is coming, and you have 20, and here is what, and pi 5 is there. Here you multiply by 2, 20 plus 25 is there. So I2 is equal to 25 by 16. So 15 1 is 16, 1 is 16. What's left here? 7 by 8 is there? No. 16 1 is 16, 16 is there. 9 by 16. Okay, so your answer is what? Your answer, I2 current must come here, this 1 whole 9 by 16. Check, I2 is 1 whole 9 by 16. It's I2 current. I2 is this coming. It means your I1 current is only coming true. So what the mistake means, the two equations are here wrong. Not only the one, two equations are here wrong. Okay, what the two equations can be there, we need to check them again. What the loop you have taken? The circuit diagram is there, okay? You may take this loop. What the loop we are taking? Yeah, this loop we are taking. Check the loop is loop BCDB. 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 This loop is there, okay? So, in the direction of current we are moving. So, minus of 2I3. Okay, this is correct. It's I3. And it is minus 2 of I2 plus I3 minus 1. It is also correct. And here we are moving plus 2 minus plus 5 is there. It is correct. Minus 2 of I, so I1 plus 2 of I1, correct. Minus 2 of I, minus 2 of I, minus 4 of I2, correct. Minus 2 of I3, minus 2 of I3. So 4 of I3, no. Minus, it will be cancelled here. This is wrong here. Okay guys. So one step is there wrong something else. We need to cancel this. We need to solve this equation again. There is something mistake in that equation. So minus 2 of I, see guys here what we are solving. Minus 2 of I2, minus 2 of I3, minus 2 of I2, minus 2 of I3 plus 2 of I1 is equal to minus 5. So here will, okay, it shall be what? Minus 2, I1 is there. So 2 times I1 plus 2I2, minus 4I2. Minus 2I2, 4I2. 4I2 is there. 4I2. Okay. And I3 minus 4I3 will also there. Is equal to minus 5. Nothing else is there. So I1, they're all. This is the equation here, okay? This could be the equation somewhat, equation second or third. What next can be done here? This is equation second, and what the third is there? This is third equation. I think this is third equation. So command is a 2 times I1. Here is what? 4I3. 4 times I3. It's a 2 times I3. It's 4 times I3. Opposite sign is also there. So it to be multiplied by 2. Okay. So multiply by 2 and adding to the third equation. So multiply by 2 means 2I. Okay, 2I. Where is that? 2I. Yeah. There one mistake is there. So we are just need to solve this equation again. I am solving this again. Okay. Okay, third it is. So I1 we found here this. Here in that I3, it's I3. So I3 is multiplied by 2. So it will be by equation second multiply by 2 plus equation third. So what is second? 2 times I1, 12 times I2, 4 times I3 is equal to 10. 2 times I1, 4 times I2 and 4 times I3 is equal to minus 5. We are adding them. So it's cancel here, and here will be 4 I1, here will be 8 I2 and here will be 5 only. Clear? So in place of that I1 we'll put here 5 by 2. So 2 here, 2 5s are what? 10. Okay, so what will be it is? Minus 8 of I2 is equal to 10 is to be transferred to the right side. So minus 5 will be there. So I2 is equal to what? 5 by 8. Negative 5 by 8 is coming. Again this is coming. And what the next is coming here? No, it's not here. I2 5 by 8. Yes, now your answer is achieved here. Okay, 5 by 8. So what the mistake actually brought here? Again 5 by 8 you brought this. Next, substituting the value of I2 and I1, you can obtain the I3 also. If the two coming correct, then third can also be correct. However, we took the time much to solve the questions, but you have to do the questions seriously. And now next concept is the Wheatstone bridge. What do you understand the Wheatstone bridge? Wheatstone bridge as the bridge, suggesting something else like bridge type. Clear? So what is bridge here? We can just understand here the bridge type. Okay, 4 points are there, 1 point, 2, 3 and 4 there also. Okay, so we will connect here 1, 2, this is the 4 resistance are connected here. In this one of that along one diagonal, the points are here A, B and C and D. Clear? So if we will connect them positive, negative, positive, negative, the source is there. Clear? And here key will there. The potential difference V is applied across the diagonal. So obviously if the resistance are equal, then equal will there. Resistance are equal, then equal current will pass through that. I told you this as. It also depends on this along one diagonal, another resistance we can just maintain here this. Okay, and what will here? We'll connect here a galvanometer to measure the current, what the current between them is. Clear? And here is a key we just have obtained here. Okay, is galvanometer, the current detection. So current I is drawn from the source, and at the junction it will divide into two parts, whether if the resistance are equal. So if what about the resistance across AB and the resistance across what this is AD, the two adjacent here, one here and one here. If the resistance are same here, if the resistance is 5 the same here, it's 1, is that clear? And 1 is there also. Clear? 2 are there. So what will happen here is positive and is negative, the key is closed down. So the resistance will divide in the two parts, one part here and one part here. Is that clear? So we are to find what about the potential difference at the point B and C. It means that what the current is going here and what the current is going here. So obviously the current when encountered with R, it develops B. Potential drop is also there. So we can speak here the potential at the B point and potential at D point will be controlled by these two resistance. If we control them in such a manner that the potential drop between B and D is 0, means VB minus VD is 0. Is these two are 0 here then. So what will happen? The current will not flow through this. The current will not. It means by such adjustment, if this is done, by such adjustment this is done, then we can speak here current flow through them. But its condition is required here. This is that. And at this condition, This is called balanced condition, further we will discuss in right now. So, what we are talking about, if the current does not flow through this, suppose at once this current is flowing as Ig, G for the galvanometer here, okay. So, it is A, B, D is there, okay. So, we need to solve this circuit here in the terms of current. So, current I is drawn from the source and current is dividing in the two parts, is I1 current going here and I2 current is going here, okay. I1 current is reaching at the point B, I1 current is reaching at the point B and is passing the current here G, and this current is here I1 minus G, okay, is reaching at here, and the current from here Ig coming and from here I2 is coming, is that clear? So, here adding Ig plus I2, clear, and they are adding this. So, what the current this is, please tell me, it is called, you may understand here this. So, I1 minus G is coming here, from here what coming, is I coming here, it is I1 there. Excuse me guys, wait a minute please. Just we can understand. Suppose current I is coming from here, I, and here the current passing I1, so it shall be I minus I1, that is this, and from here the current is going here I1 minus Ig, and current is coming from Ig, here is meeting the current what, I minus I1 is coming and plus Ig is coming from. So, through this line this current is passing and they are meeting at here. So, if they will meet it here, so what will here? They will meet it here, it is I1 minus Ig plus I minus I1 plus Ig. So, Ig cancel, I1 cancel, I current is there. So, what the current I is introducing, the same current is leaving the circuit. Is that clear or not? Well understood here? So, this is now, so with the help of what we can answer? With the help of KCL we have solved this circuit here. So, first you will write here, let current drawn from the circuit, source is I. Current drawn from the source is I, okay. I current drawn here, this is a V here also, clear. So, as we have shown on the circuit solution is very important. So, loop to be taken here, loop, what loop we are taking? A, B is a D point, A, B, D, A, B, D, A, first loop. So, A to B in the direction of current. So, name of the resistance can be given as a R1 resistance we are giving, okay. We are giving R1 or it is what here, R2, it is here what, R3 or it is can be given R4. So, here will be R1 in the direction of current, I1 into R1. Now, next is in the direction of Ig, in the direction of Ig, direction of Ig means what, minus of Ig multiply by some resistance it will have, suppose capital G R we representing this. Rg can also be represented, resistance of, yes, Rg resistance, okay, and D to A opposite to that. So, positive I minus I1 multiply by R4 is equal to 0, it's one circuit is there. So, can it be solved here as, so minus of I1 R1 and here is what, Ig Rg plus I of R4 minus I1 and R4 is equal to, it's a negative as positive, is equal to 0. So, I1 constant also be taken here this, okay. So, it is I1, this equation 1 is there, but now the second loop can be taken as a, what the second loop will be take here this you will start from the battery, this will be the second loop, okay. So, what the name of this loop is here? So, loop, what loop is there? A, D, C, it is, we can give the name some here, K, okay, and V or again A, okay, we can give the name to here. So, what is A to D? In the direction of current, I minus I1 multiply by R4 plus R3 I minus I1 plus Ig multiply by R3, and negative to positive term we are traveling is something, so it's to be taken here. The V is not given here, so will not take here, so it will not come in use. V is there, so loop another can be taken here. Loop, what loop? The second loop can be taken here, this BCDB, BCDB loop. What is BCD loop? B to C, I1 minus Ig, I1 minus Ig multiply by R2. Clear? Okay. And C to D, C to D in the opposite direction of current, I minus I1 plus Ig multiply by R3. Okay. And we are just moving upside to the B, D to B, Ig plus Ig and Rg is equal to 0. So, solving this we can obtain here I1 minus the same here, this is equation second. So, what I am saying, the value of Ig is such explained here, potential is controlled by this. So, in the case here, if Ig is 0 here, when Ig is 0, when the Vb is equal to Vd, they are equal, implies that difference is 0. So, no current will flow, obviously the distance will not offered here. So, if the current will not be there 0, then what we can speak here is, so from both equation, from equation first and second, what can be there? First equation is what? Yes, Gg term will, this will cancel. Okay. So, here will minus I 1 R1 and plus I of R4 and minus I1 of R4 is equal to 0. First equation. Second equation is what? Ig 0, I1 into R2 plus I minus I1, here R3 plus this terms become 0 here, is equal to 0. Clear? Further, so I1 can be equated here. So, here from I1, from this equation I1 can be taken as I1 common. Okay, what will here, please tell me? Here R1 plus R4, and from this here I1 is equal to I and R4. So, it can be written as negative of R4. Okay, it's one relation, and from this we can obtain here I1 common. So, it will be here what? R2 minus R3, and here will what next? And further can also be solved here I1, I2, I3 further. What is that here? I1. So, something has to be taken common as. So, you can divide also with that help. Okay, we are solving the equation finally. I1 common, I2, I3 is equal to minus of what? I1 minus of I plus of I and R3. So, we will divide it. So, you will have R1 plus R2, R4 plus R4 divided by R2 minus R3, and here R4 divided by R3. So, this can be solved further. Do solve please. It's R13 plus it's R3 R4, it's R2 and R4, it's minus, what will here please? Minus R2 R4, R3 R4. You may see this, what typical expressions is coming. So, one mistake we have done, this one of them negative is to come here, this is negative is coming. So, So as negative, what the negative will come here? This minus. So minus minus is to be cancelled. Is it coming negative? Solving these two equations to be solved here. This, so they will come as positive. Okay, so this will come cancel as. So here will R1, R3, and here will 2 and R4. This can also be written as R1 by R2 and R4 by R3. You just may understand what typical relationship is coming. 1, 2. Where is 1, 2? So 1, 2 you may see this and this are 1, 2 here. Means resistance this and this resistance. These two resistance are equal to these two resistances there. This can also be taken as 1 by 3, 1 by what? 4 and 2 by 3. This also can be written. 1, 4 means what? What are the 1, 4? These two are 1, 4 and 2, 3. So finally the conclusion is, what conclusion here? The 4 resistors, 1 here and here also. If no current through this line is there, then this resistance upon this is equal to this upon this. We can give P, it's a Q, it's R and S. So finally P by Q is equal to R by S. We could also suppose here as P, Q, R, S, but I just have tried the new way R1, R2. It became complex R, but I will suggest you to use the P by Q, R. But this is proved, this is true when the resistance through current through middle line is 0 here, otherwise not. So the ratio of these two current, the resistance ratio is equal to ratio of these two. Right now, where the from current is entering, the ratio of these two adjacent resistance equals to this. So this is to be used. This is statement is called the Wheatstone bridge principle. So what do you understand Wheatstone bridge principle? Wheatstone bridge principle. Please just write here Wheatstone bridge principle. When the 4 resistors are connected, along the 4 sides of quadrilateral, and along one diagonal source is connected, along the another diagonal galvanometers, current detecting device is connected. Is that clear? At VB is equal to VD means IG is equal to 0 when the no current flow through one diagonal. At this condition, the ratio of adjacent resistance equals to the ratio of other two adjacent resistance, that is P by Q is equal to R by S. Is that clear, guys? So we'll solve the sum numerical based on this here. Please see the video again. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.